Okay, hey YouTubers and Facebook, it's your girl with the name PG8 Peaches 69. So today I am about 19 weeks, 18 weeks and 6 days. Tomorrow will be 19 weeks. Today is the big day. I am going to find out the sex of my baby. I'm so excited. I do the anatomy scan and everything. Like, they're just gonna wait till the end of the month, but I was like, please don't let me wait till the end of the month. I'll be losing it. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update since the last time I talked to y'all was, I think it was about like 12 weeks or something. So you can see I'm a little dressed. Got my clothes, you know, love dairy on. So see, here's the front and here's the side. Let me see if I can. Here's the side. I still have a little extra skin from, even after losing all this weight, still has skin on my stomach. So here's the other side. Look how round I'm getting. So far, I think the baby's on this side. It stays on this side most of the time. So yeah. So just wanted to do a video. I'm like dressed and just waiting for everybody else to get dressed so I can find out if it's gonna be either, my baby will either be a boy or a girl. If it's a girl, her name will be Jalayla Danae, and if it's a boy, it'll be Breon Benjamin. So can't wait. So alright, I'll see you at the hospital. Bye. Say bye.